Hello friends, today we can see decomposition tree visual in Power BI. See, I have a data here. Here I contain the details of supplier, supplier ID, invoice date and region and state and city wise, and these are the total sales. So I go to this Power BI visual. So I have a decomposition tree visual here it is. So I'm just dragging this one to the size so that it can be visible to you. Decomposition tree is nothing but it is a root cause of a number. Suppose if somebody is asking about sales by region, where it is increased, where it is decreased, it can help. See, here I have a in this data is there. So I go to total sales in data fields. So I want to explanation by a region. So I drag into explain by this and state, and I am dragging this, and city also I am dragging this, so that see here the plus symbol is there. So when I click on, if you want on high value, low value, or it is asking. So now I am clicking on high value. See here it is the region wise, west, south, east, west. So we need the root cause. Here it is coming where it is generating revenue, and I am clicking another. This time it is getting state wise. See where the which state it is getting. So you need to get this, and then clicking on this again on high value, it is providing city wise also. So when I click on south here, see south where it is generating and east where it is generating. So we can work with help of decomposition tree visual to know the root cause of the visual, root cause of a number. Thank you friends. Please subscribe channel for more videos. Thank you friends.